learn disco shake. It's choreographed by myself, Michelle Wright. It is a 32 count, 2-wall beginner level line dance. And depending on the song that you use off of the step sheet, or if you find one on your own, it could have a tag or it could have no tags, no restarts. The preferred song is Shake Your Groove Thing. That one has a tag on the end of wall 2. On the step sheet, it's listed for turning and non-turning options, as well as how to make it a 1-wall dance. So if you would like to try it Contra, you can. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts, using the turning and non-turning, non-hopping options, and the 1-wall availability. We'll then face the front wall, do it all the way through with steps and counts for the main choreographed dance. So that is when, if you would like to leave out any of the turns or the hops, you would choose one of the alternatives. We'll then talk about the tag, and then we're going to go around and dance 4 walls of the dance, including the tag, so that you know how it all flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn disco shake. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to step to the right and bump our hip twice to the right. So we're going to step right, bump, right, right, put your weight onto your left, bump your hip twice to the left, bump, bump. Now we're going to do singles, bump right, bump right, bump left. And this is the section you can have some fun if you would like to do like the hitchhiker thumb with your double hip bumps. Feel free. One part in the song does say shake it down low, and I like to kind of bend down and do a little bit of a twisting motion. Feel free to have some fun with it. So let's try that with some counts, bumping your hip twice to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2 has a turning and non-turning option. We're going to do the turning option first. So we're going to do a grapevine to the right with a point and a clap. So we're going to step our right foot side, left behind, right side. Point your left toe slightly to the left side and clap your hands towards the right. We're now going to do a rolling grapevine. So you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping down onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock. You're going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right to face 3 o'clock. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side. You're going to touch your right toe next to your left and clap your hands. And if you would like to on some of the walls, you could do a double clap. Or on all the walls. Do what makes you happy, yeah? So let's try it with some counts. Grapevine to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the non-turning option for it would be to just do a grapevine to the right and the left. So you would go right, side, behind, side, point, and clap, side, behind, side, point, and clap. And you can leave out that rolling grapevine. Section 3, we're going to do back touches. So we're going to step back with our right, touch our left, step back with your left, touch your right. We're now going to do hopping touches back. So we're going to quickly hop to the right foot, touch your left, quickly hop to your left foot, touch your right, quickly hop to your right foot, touch your left, quickly hop to your left foot, touch your right. Those hopping touches are going to slightly travel forward, but you want them mostly in place, kind of hopping more back and forth than heading backwards. Let's try it with some counts, and then we'll talk about the non-hopping option. We're going to just do back touches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Now the non-hopping option, if you don't want to do those hops back, are to do 4 back touches. So you'd step back, right, touch, left, touch, right, touch, left, touch, right. And then continue the dance on from there. Section 4, we're going to do hop forward with a small little shake, hop back with a small little shake. So we're going to hop forward, right, left, slightly out, shoulder width apart. So hop out, right, left. And as you step with the left, you're going to bump your hips slightly to the right, right, and recover. Now we're going to hop back, right, left, back, back. And you're going to do that same little hip bump, bump, bump. We're now going to do 2 quarter pivots. We're going to step forward with our right foot, make a quarter pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot. You're now at 9 o'clock. You're going to step forward with your right, make a quarter pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 6 o'clock to end the dance. So now let's try that with some counts, and then we'll talk about non-hopping and non-turning options. So we're hopping forward, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you don't want to shake your hip on that hop forward, you can just go hop forward, hold, hop back, hold as well. Now the non-hopping option for that will be to do a V step. So you would step out, right, out, left, and right, and left, and leave out the hops. Now, if you would like to make it a one wall dance and not turn at all, you can replace the quarter pivots with either 2 half pivots or a rocking chair, depending on what you would like to do. So you would either do step, half pivot, or you would do rocking chair. If you are making it a one wall dance and you would like to try Contra, some fun things that you could add in that are not listed on the step sheet, but it would be fun to do, is when you're doing those hip bumps, instead of doing them side to side, you could bump with your partner, right? So you could go bump, bump, and hit that partner's hip back, and then you would do singles and bump your hip. And then when you did that grapevine, you would just square up to the wall that you were facing. So you would slightly angle your body on those hip bumps and bump hips with the person across from you, and then do your rest of the dance. So let's face the front wall. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your hip bumps to the right. So it's bump right, bump left and single, right, left, grapevine with a point and clap, quarter, half, quarter touch and clap, back touch. Now your hop step, right, left, hop, forward, little shake, hop, back, little shake, step, quarter pivot, and then you're ready to start the next wall facing the back. Let's try it with some counts, bumping your hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the whole dance. So now let's talk about the tag. The tag is for Shake Your Groove Thing for the songs that are listed on the step sheet. If you find something else and it needs a tag, feel free to use this or even do it a couple times depending on which song you choose. So the tag is just the first 4 counts of the dance. So you would do your bump to the right, double bump to the left, and then you would start the dance with your double hip bump. So on wall 3, it's going to feel like you're doing 2 sets of those hip bumps, and then you would keep on dancing. Okay, so let's try that with some counts. You're doing your double bump. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we would start the dance double, double, single, 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 single. That's for Shake Your Groove Thing. That's the only tag in the dance. Other than that, you dance the 5 minutes without anything else. So now we're going to go around. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 4 walls of the dance, including the tag, since Shake Your Groove Thing is the preferred song. Weight is starting on that left foot. You're bumping your hip to the right, bump, right double, bump, left double, single, right, left, grapevine with a point and clap, rolling, grapevine with a touch and clap, back touch, now hop, right, left, hop, right, left, hip bump, hop, back, hip bump, step, quarter pivot, bump your hips, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Double hip bump. 1, 2, 3, 4. Start over. Hip, double hip, bump, bump. Grapevine with a point and clap. Rolling, grapevine with a touch and clap. Back touch. Now your hops, right, left, hop, forward, little shake, hop, back, little shake, step, quarter pivot, bump, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So if there's any confusion about the extra stuff on the step sheet to either make it easier or to make it lower impact for your group, please check out the step sheet. Feel free to email me if you have any questions. I did explain it in this tutorial, but just as a reminder, the non-turning option for section 2 is to do 2 grapevines. The non-hopping option for section 3 is to do 4 back touches. The non-hopping option for section 4 is to do a V-step, and the non-turning option for section 4 would be to either do 2 half pivots or a rocking chair, whichever works best for your group. Or if you would like to make it contra, that is the ending that you would use to make it contra. I hope this helps you learn disco shake. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.